The best Nikon cameras have given countless beginners their first taste of proper photography, but they are also popular with enthusiasts and professionals. Once you find a camera brand you like, it's only natural that you would stay with it as you upgrade your camera and your photography skills. If you're looking for the best Nikon cameras, in this video I am going to show you 5 amazing best Nikon cameras that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which Nikon camera are you excited for. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying a new camera, you can ask me on Instagram. Link is given in the description, you can message me there and I will reply you back. Nikon Z30, perfect for vlogging. This affordable Z-mount APS-C camera is aimed at content creation on the move. While Nikon has aimed the Z30 firmly at a vlogger audience with a focus on ease of use for shooting video, and underlying video specifications are very similar to Nikon's existing DX format Z series cameras. Likewise, it remains a very capable still camera. If you're looking for a dedicated point-and-shoot video camera that won't break the bank, the Z30 offers arguably the best quality in its price. Most of what the Z30 is lacking is IBIS EVF 4K 60p and can be explained away due to the camera's very affordable price tag. If you are the generation of shooters happy to forego a viewfinder, the Z30 offers the cheapest route to the best Nikon Z series lenses. If you can't live without an EVF or mainly shoot stills, you could always try the Nikon Z50 or Nikon Z FC. By this amazing camera for its best-in-class build quality, Nikon's most affordable Z camera and proper vari-angle screen. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Nikon Z50, small, powerful and affordable. Nikon Z50 is a much smaller camera than Nikon's full-frame Z models, but it clearly shares the same design DNA. Despite its small size, it has a good grip and good external controls, and the retracting 60-50mm kit lens is remarkable not just for its pancake lens dimension but for its overall performance. Nikon may have come to the APS-C mirrorless market comparatively late, but it has come in with a camera that has so many good points, it is hard to know where to start, but we will highlight the 4K video, 11 FPS shooting and so much more, and the fact that it's a Z mount is identical to that on the larger camera, so you can use dedicated Nikkor ZDX lenses, full frame Nikkor Z lenses and a regular Nikon DSLR lenses via the FTZ adapter. Best of all, the Z50 is a terrific value, especially when bought as a twin lens kit. This is a great value camera for both beginners and enthusiasts, though we would like to see a few more DX lenses coming out. Nikon Z5, the best entry-level camera. It took Nikon a little while to come out with a really solid entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera, but the firm smashed it out of the park with the Z5. It takes design cues from its pricier siblings, the Z6 and Z, but makes some sensible additions like a beginner-friendly mode dial. It produces fantastically looking images, and having a full-frame sensor with a sophisticated Z mount is a tough combo to argue with. It makes a few compromises like lacking the Z6 back illuminated sensor and suffering a 1.7x crop on its 4K video. But these sacrifices are what enable the Z5's real ace in the hole, its tempting price tag. This camera represents significantly better value, and compared to its rival, it is an amazingly value camera. Like comparatively, Canon EOS RP and Sony Alpha A7 Mark II are much pricier than this model, and the price is continuing to drop of this camera, which is amazing. Buy this amazing camera for its easy to get to grips with and the 5-axis IS system. Nikon ZFC, amazing Nikon camera with the advanced modern features. This dreamy camera doesn't just look cool, it's also one of the best beginners to mid-range cameras around. With an APS-C sensor and a sophisticated processor, the Nikon ZFC is a highly capable camera for image makers of all stripes, even if it misses out on a few features like a built-in flash. It's a little pricier than its stablemate, the Nikon Z50, and if you don't care about the looks, then you may want to consider that camera instead, as it is basically the same model. However, we are utterly charmed by the style and presentation of the Nikon ZFC. Can't resist the look and feel of the best retro cameras? Then look no further. The Nikon ZFC will suit you down to the ground. Buy this amazing camera for its glorious looks and dial-based control. Nikon D3500, overall the best Nikon camera. While you are still learning photography and deciding what sort of camera will suit you the best, you should pick a camera that's simple enough to understand straight away and affordable enough that you can change your mind and swap later if you decide you need something different. The Nikon D3500 is the entry-level model in Nikon's DSLR range, but it has a 24.2 MP sensor as good as those in cameras at twice the price, and it offers a very good 5 fps continuous shooting speed for a starter camera. The guide mode will help beginners get started and understand the basic principles, but the D3500 has all the manual controls you need to learn about photography as you improve your skills. It's sometimes sold a little cheaper with the non-VR kit lens, but it's definitely worth paying a little more to get the VR version. Buy this amazing camera for its great image quality, neat retracting kit lens, and it's beginner friendly. So these are the 5 amazing Nikon cameras that you can consider to buy for 2023. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.